Is it hard to be fresh if you don't have money, or can you still pull it off?
See, when I ain't had no money, I still had sauce. See, if you don't got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another episode. As always, it's just another day here in the shop, and we are gonna go ahead and do a twin disc clutch. Brian just quickly, or you just finished it, right? Your battery bracket?
Almost.
Working on a battery bracket for a 16 volt, right?
16 volt battery, yeah, for a 16 volt battery. I made it for this battery, but it was kind of big. So the guy bring me back the tray with the battery, so
That way you can mock it up for it.
I already got everything.
That looks cool. It's got 3 places, or it mounts there, and then this holds the little peg piece.
Wait till I'm done. It looks beautiful.
Heck yeah. Yeah, we'll take a look at that here in a little bit.
Yep.
But what we're going to be doing today, like I said a few seconds ago, we're going to be doing this, putting this twin disc clutch into a customer's EG hatch. Bryan built this car, right?
Yep.
That was your head that you built and everything?
Yeah, I put the spring retainer, valves, everything on it. They got stage pick cams. They got EG other block manifold.
Look at that.
Billet Speed Factory, fuel rail. He got 1100cc injectors.
Dude,
He got a couple nice things. He got Type R transmission.
10 years ago, if you had that, you were like the king of the castle.
I'm still the king. I still have them, bro.
You don't see those at all. They discontinued that, right?
No, I love them. Every time I saw a deal on it, I just.
There's another Edelbrock
Victor X.
Victor X,
It's
that's what it
literally
is.
the same thing. Just say Victor X. The other ones, this one say YG.
I think this one came out first though, right?
Yeah.
There's
the
this
first
one,
version.
and then they made the Victor X. That is cool. You painted that too, didn't you?
Yep.
Looking good. Looks really good with that fuel rail.
Yep.
I love this setup.
We're gonna do the twin disc. I'm waiting also in a complete fuel system. We're gonna be doing AN lines, fuel cell in the trunk. We actually gonna get a road cage on it. We got a pretty good plan with this car.
Okay.
It's gonna be another monster.
We got quite a few monsters in the works.
Yep.
So today we're just gonna drop the transmission, get the transmission out of the way, get the old clutch on, or clutch off, and then we'll go ahead and align the twin disc, get her thrown on. I know there's some directions with it. I have a twin disc similar to this one. It's also an action clutch in the single cam 4-door. You just gotta align everything up correctly. It actually comes pre-aligned. So you can just throw it straight on. Looks like I've got the pilot bearing down there too. So looks like it's just a straight throw in. Unbolt everything, line them up, and put the flywheel bolts on.
Yeah,
all that.
Only thing you need to make sure is that every single disc is clean, like clean. Can't touch it or nothing, and just.
And also not bent or nothing.
No, hopefully we don't bend it. But,
Yeah, brand new.
But like I said, you can touch it with your dirty hand, and not like that when you're installing it. If you do so, you know the clutch not gonna be working 100%. Yep.
Well, all right, we'll get to it. Sweet. Now that everything is done upstairs, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the axles. So you gotta pull the axles out, get the half shaft out, pull out this axle as well, get all that out of the way, undo it from the mount, and get the engine mount too. Make sure you get that engine mount, and it's just gonna. And I'm also gonna have to move this bar right here for the traction bar. So move that, do those few things, and transmission will be out. Looking pretty. So he made do you want to explain it? You're the one that did the work. I ain't gonna explain something you did.
Yeah, the battery was just the tray was too big for the battery, so I just cut it in half and adapted to the new battery. So.
But you added this.
Yeah, I just add this and this little bar so the battery can have a better.
It's got a support in the front, and it's got it all in the back, and then you got one that goes right over the top. You use the factory one that comes.
Yep.
Right.
Yeah, the little long bolts.
Yeah. I don't know what that's called.
I don't know either.
The hook,
Long bolts,
battery
yeah.
hook thing.
That's what I use always. So
thing looks
Yeah.
so good, dude.
Just waiting to get ready so customer can pick it up.
Nice. All right, well, we're gonna get back on to the Civic.
Get this done. Video.
All right, so the transmission is out. Now we just need to go ahead and remove these bolts here for the bolts here for the pressure plate. Get all those removed. Get the pressure plate off. Then there'll be the bolts for the flywheel. Take those bolts off, and it'll all be off. So, should we let the people know what your plans are with the EM1? No?
Yeah, I'm just gonna. I got everything already. Just now I have a little bit of time. Been working on it. Just wanna get it running, man.
Well, tell them what you're going to be using it for, because it's got me excited.
I'm just gonna be doing circuit racing,
Like time attack.
time attack racing, track days, that kind of stuff. I just wanna enjoy it.
I haven't really seen anybody with all-wheel drive yet.
There's a couple of them, but I just wanna go with them. Just wanna go and have some fun and actually enjoy the car. The all-wheel drive stuff is too expensive to be breaking it every week, you know?
Right?
No.
You plan on keeping it all motor, right?
I'm gonna go with nitros, but I don't know how it's gonna work now. So probably gonna a little bit less of nitro. Was
tap it.
planning shoot a big shot, but now I'm trying just. Sometime I'm gonna need some power. So it's gonna be the how the people call it, the Rambo bottom.
Yeah, that's what you, when you last left turn before the checkered flag. Whoop-a-pa-pa, Monica.
That's it.
Damn, you know it. You know it's serious business when Bryan puts on gloves.
I don't like to use gloves.
I don't think I've ever seen you put on gloves.
I don't like gloves. But I'm gonna mess up this $200 clutch.
Right?
So
How much?
200?
Did you say 200? Yeah, right. Maybe one of the discs cost 200.
Yeah. Actually, it's 1200.
That's not too bad.
For this unit?
Dang, look at that. All nice and shiny.
Yeah. For this unit, I think it's pretty good price.
This looks way nicer than mine.
Yeah.
Look at that. Shiny.
They look beautiful.
It's gonna be ready for any amount of power you throw at it.
The plan is we're going big with that one too, so we got some more stuff on the way here, so I just can't wait.
It's like a charm. Definitely make sure that you check it again before you go ahead and try to put the transmission on, because if not, it will not go on.
It's gonna be in a pain.
Pain in the butt.
Pain in the butt.
You think there's something wrong, and there is. So just make sure that that's all lined up nice. All right, so the clutch and transmission are back in. Only thing we need to do now is just put our axles in, and we are done.
I'm not gonna put the axle yet because I gotta change the wheel bearing and put standard studs.
Yep.
The real disc conversion. So the car probably stay here in the lift today because I gotta go pick it up the rear disc conversion and the parts, and then so probably tomorrow is another video, another day. We can do the wheel bearing, studs, and the rear disc conversion. And we're probably gonna do the staking brake.
Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff to this car.
Nice. I've never installed
really
one.
Nice race car.
Heck yeah. I've never installed one, so that'll be cool to do.
Yep.
Heck yeah. What are you working on over here?
I gotta do the downpipe too on it. So I'm trying to go like side. I'm trying to do the downpipe by the side of the bumper, the passenger side. So I'm trying to use some scrap that my brother grown half around. Make it happen.
Alrighty guys, we're gonna go ahead and call the video there. We got a bunch of work we gotta do, and it's definitely easier without the camera in your hand. So we're gonna go ahead and get to work, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
You don't got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.